Wow. Really nice. I'm starting to fall in love with Boracay, brother, and I only have been here for an hour.
Yeah, you've never been to Boracay
Never, brother, never.
since ever, like ever since you've been here, ever since
I never had
you set
time.
foot in the
never,
Philippines.
never had time to come here. Imagine today I'm coming because I have a job. I'm hosting the museum. So yeah.
I love your job.
Yeah, I love it also. It's really nice.
I would die for a job like that,
Oh, look at this.
where I have 100 close access to the ladies. Guys, we're on our way to the yacht.
Perfect. Let's go. What?
Go, go, go. Okay.
Go.
So Adam is with Sash Factor.
Yeah.
Wait, I
Yes.
Tingin ka doon, tapos bigla kang tingin sa amin. Yun. Ikaw mag-i-edit ang dito. Ganda na.
Did they say we're going back now? So sad.
Sa Laguna.
Or let's take na lang the resort.
Ganda.
Ako din. Pumunta ulit. I'll check.
So, pati.
Ganda ma.
Sila Union.
Alam niyo ang gulo. Nakikinig.
Shadow ba yan? Last as.
For my YouTube. Ay, 20 seconds.
Ano siya? Kasi one ano eh. Hindi mo naman oh.
Okay, I got the shots.
Kasi nasa yate tayo pero nakapang ano. Diba? Balay.
Hi. My dream.
Ayan, ready na siya oh.
Ganda.
You guys.
Thank you. Ganda. Na dear oh.
Parang talagang
Girls. Let's go. Tatawag na tayo.
Yes.
Oh.
Kawai, flying kiss. Thank you, Rose.
10 more seconds, 10 more seconds.
Ay, grabe. Pang ano talaga, pang reels.
Hindi.
Kumikita na to sa
10 more seconds daw. We have Miss San Carlos City, Pangasinan.
Thank you. Sorry, sir.
Copyrighted naman. Hindi naman niya. Hindi narinig hindi.
Gumagalaw eh.
Magalaw-galaw. Yan, love it. Ano yan, drone?
Ano yun?
Ano yan?
Nakita.
Ay, party-party rin.
We have strobe lights.
Yan, Ano sila?
Yeah, go. You go there also. Take your photo there also.
Maganda ba kapag may flash? Is it good with flash?
Yeah, you should. I mean, if you're using a phone, it should be okay, but it's really good with flash. It's good if you're shooting just against the sun. If you're shooting over there, you don't think
Dito, di ba? Tama ba? Upo ka dito. Ayan. Can I take it?
Ganda nyo.
Ayan, okay. Ayan.
Oh, wait,
Ay, pala si Doc Leslie. Nanonood kanina.
Hi, Doc! Kumusta? Nasa Singapore siya ngayon.
Sige po.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Ay, birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Okay.
Ganda!
Maganda dito ay mag-picture ka dyan. Akin na.
Sige, later.
Miss Tarlac! Marian!
45, yeah. It's pretty robust.
Winner, Carla. The face is giving. Oh.
Just answer the question. I will be sharing I'll be sharing the Instagram, but I'll be using the high-res version also. I'll probably do the job.
Thank you. Ganda. Para sa
Hindi
iyo.
mawawala na yung ano niya. Hindi mawawala na yung ano sunset. Dito ka. Dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. Yan ka.
I have my own
Ayan.
station.
Ito na lang natin. One, two, one more. Ano yung bawa?
Ay, mas maganda mi. Wala na. Uwian na. Uwian na. Uwian na.
Dinala siya.
Just para sa iyo to. Yan. Tingin niyo na ganito. Yan.
Alright, I'll freeze. That was just you. Yeah, that was just her. That was just her. Yeah. I got like a closer lens. All right.
Oh, it's easy.
Oh wait. She's like back there. Very nice. Like that.
Sino ka dyan? Ikaw po Romeo. Rose Ann.
Don't post, I'm just taking.
Ganda ni Roxy. At may pailaw pa si Ada.
Doesn't have photos yet.
Ba si Ada? May pailaw.
Wait.
I will hold the
May pailaw.
light you want.
Hindi na kaya naman sa'yo.
Roxy, I'm here.
Island girl. From the mountains to the ano. Kawai.
From the highlands to the islands.
Ay, gusto ko yan. Ang artista. Parang nakita kita sa TV.
Saan yan?
Saan yan? TV5. Iba pa.
Uy, kung doesn't have photos yet.
O, dalihan nyo na kasi palapit ng ano. Ay, malu.
Thank you.
Tarlac, Manila, and San Carlos.
May effect ba? Parang wala naman eh. Oo nga.
Strobe lights.
Napailaw si Ada.
Sorry, ang kulit ko.
Oo.
Nicole, nag-judge ka daw sa Pilipinas na ba?
Okay, thank you. Ay, ito si...
Ay, almost. Ay.
Sama ka na. Sama niya na si ano. Roxy.
Sabay aura.
Sama niya si Roxy. Sorry.
Ang ganda ng taga-ilaw ko.
True. Sino ba?
Very lapit na 6:30. Yeah. Bella, you're so cute.
Ganda niyo, girl.
Oh, nag-judge na daw sa Pilipinas Davao before. Pilipinas Davao.
Davao de Oro.
Yeah, I'm okay with Oro.
Davao de Oro.
Bakit?
Thank you.
Carlos City.
Sorry, I didn't ask for this, but you. It was.
Ah, Davao de Oro yan. They're the organizer.
Trust me.
Talaga?
Officials. Ang Davao de Oro. Nakilala ka nila.
Oh my God.
Yeah, pa-photo to you later.
I just
Davao de Oro.
talk after
Yeah.
how's the light? The exposure side, I think.
Yeah, so we can bring it down.
I get so confused with the eyes.
Okay na.
This was the ISO.
Last
I keep clicking and I don't know like what I'm clicking. And sometimes, sorry, I keep moving it.
Si ano, si Nick.
Ako si
Palit na niya, friend.